Hi, WordPress users. Do you want to change any text or string in WordPress? Here is how you can easily do that. Most important is that, if you need to change a piece of theme or plugin defined text on your site, a simple plugin to use is Say What plugin. This plugin doesn't require any changing of code and is super simple to set up. So, before we start, for your information, we will upload video series related to various types of WordPress tutorials. So, if you interested in WordPress plugin tutorials video, please subscribe our channel for more update. So, first things first, install and activate the Say What plugin from WordPress plugin directory. After install, go to Tools menu and click Text Changes option to open the plugin settings. Now, click the Add New button at the top to add a new text change. In the original string box, enter the exact same string of the comment title that we need to replace. Most important is that text domain requires a unique identifier that each plugin or theme must have. To find your theme's text domain, go to Appearance menu and click Theme Editor. Start by selecting your theme, and find the text domain in the theme's style.css declaration. Here you will find the text domain name. Just copy and paste from here. Next, you have to write replacement string, something like, we want to change it, into the ask question. Now, click Add button and you will see after refresh, leave a comment, will successfully change to ask question. That's it for now. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you were able to learn some valuable information. And we'll see you the next one.